Hello everyone, in this video we'll see how to create your own folder and add files to it. To do that, click My Documents and click Folder. So here you have an option to create your own folder. Click Create Your Own and give a name to your folder. You can also change the color of your folder. To do that, click the circle and move in this color picker and place it on the color that you want. You can also change the shade of your colors. So once you are done with selecting your color, click Create and your folder is created. In order to create another folder, click Create Folder and give a name to your folder. You can also change the color again and click Create. So we have created two folders. Now to add files inside this folder, open this folder first and click Create File. So you have an option to either create a form file or a PDF or even a PDF template inside this folder. Thank you.